In this video, I'm turning this into this. You're watching Confinement Craft, episode 2. Let's go. For this project, I needed this, and that. Okay, let's go. Use the circle thing to tighten the fabric. Googled Louis Vuitton logo. Drew with a pencil the logo on the shirt. And I started sewing. In and out, and in and out, and in and out, and in and out. Was done with the outline. Looked cool, made a TikTok about it because,
Bro, you need to post 2 times a day on TikTok. ASAP.
Then I thought, I still have a month of confinement, so I decided to fill in the letters. Got 2 tones of blue and started stitching. Believe it or not, I managed to break a needle by hand stitching. Then stitch some more. A season of that 70s show later, here's the progress. You see, hand stitching takes time, but 50% of the time is spent trying to put the thread in the damn needle. Then you tie the thread and start from the inside of the shirt. Then you can go in and out and draw whatever shape you want. Then I had an idea. I wanted to fill in the colors because some white was still showing from the t-shirt. I decided to bring on a new thread and just go inside the loops that were already on the shirt. A few moments later, I was done. Here's the final result. Alright, so I don't know how long it would take me before reaching that level of stitching, but I don't know. I'm kind of stoked about this result. Obviously, Louis Vuitton, don't sue me, please. But I'll show you a bit of close-ups of this, but like the level of detailing here, and well, the way you can see like the stitches, how it's done, like below you see that it's every loop. So I kind of compare it to like pixels. Like this is super high definition. Like there's so many thread counts in this. Me, it's like, I don't know, it took me a day. This takes the machine, like at my rate, it would take weeks before I can do this. I've seen videos though on YouTube of people doing hand stitches, and it looks really impressive, but they don't do it on textile like this. There's a lot of things to explore. This is just a skill I wanted to acquire. Obviously I'm not a pro, but now I know how to do it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you for the next episode very soon. Peace.